Hey everyone, it's Alexa from Cold Springs, and I'm going to be bringing you through our used 2012 Sunstar 35F by Itasca. This model sleeps 6, it has a fiberglass roof, and it has exterior and basement storage, so you won't have to make sacrifices when packing for your next trip. Inside this model, this does have a superstructure, so everything is anchored into place with steel, even your seatbelts, seat, or your microwave. Here's your driver and passenger seat. The cabinets are real wood and have hidden hinges. Everything in here has a serial number, so you can easily get parts if you need to. For example, there are model numbers inside each cabinet door like so if something happens to it, you can easily get the door replaced. Here's your 3-burner stovetop with the oven below and your microwave overhead. You also have a nice decorative backsplash. Your refrigerator is right in front of the couch, so you can easily grab a snack or a drink while you're watching a movie. You can enjoy your meals in comfort at the booth Dinette. It's got some nice lighting overhead as well as storage. Here is your extendable sleeper sofa, so if you're looking to host guests or travel with the kiddos, you've got plenty of room for everybody. Next to the fridge, you've got your 32-inch LED TV with storage below and overhead, which might be a good spot for blankets or games. This model has 2 bathrooms. Here's the half bath right next to the living room. You've got a mirror, plenty of countertop space around the sink, and then storage below, and then here's your toilet to the left. You've got a full sliding door to enter the master bedroom. Inside, you have a queen bed with a set of nightstands on either side. You've got 2 wardrobes and plenty of drawers for all of your personal items and clothing, and you also have a TV. In the master bathroom, you've got a lot of countertop space. You have plenty of storage options for all of your linens and your toiletries. You'll find this mirror useful each day when you're getting ready, and you also have a big shower. This concludes the tour of our used 2012 Itasca 35F by Sunstar. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out our website at www.coldspringsrv.com.